I was given the task by the Maternal Fetal and Neonatal Institute to implement a neonatal abstinence syndrome cohort in the neonatal ICU. We developed the NAS cohort. We educated RNs, patient care technicians, lactation, and our physicians about addiction and how to non-pharmacologically care for these babies. And the physicians worked on a pharmacological approach to taking care of these babies. The nurses really ran with it. They're the ones that really developed the cohort. They're the ones that really had the passion to take care of these babies and to give them true value-based care. One of the barriers that we faced with the NAS cohort was nurse burnout. The babies are very difficult to take care of. The families can be very difficult to take care of because addiction is a disease in itself. I think it means a lot to our neonatal abstinence syndrome nurses and patient care techs and all the people that have really put a lot of time and energy in decreasing our length of treatment for these babies. All the things that they have learned, all the passion that they put into their job has resulted in positive patient outcomes, and we couldn't be more thrilled to have won this award.